Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to add extension on Google Chrome. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Google Chrome. Now if I want to add extensions, first of all on the top right you'll find these three dots. Click on this and over here go to this extensions. And after that click on this manage extensions. Click on this and over here you'll find this interface. Over here you can see these are all the extensions installed on my laptop. Now I'll go to this Google Web Store over here, click on this and now we can search for extensions from here. Now I'll search for Google Docs Dark Mode and enter. And now you can see here are different options of this extension. Now I'll go with this first one, and now to add extension over here on the right side here is add to Chrome. Click on this and now click on this add extension. After that it's being downloaded. And now as soon as it is downloaded you can see it's installed on my Google Chrome. If I go over here and refresh, you can see this is the extension which I recently added. In this way, we can add extension on Google Chrome. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.